In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a payment on a Xero Invoice full 2025 guide. We're going to enable online payments on your Xero Invoices by connecting PayPal so your customers can pay you straight from the invoice. Before we start, make sure you're logged into the correct Xero organization and that your user role allows you to edit invoice and payment settings. Having your PayPal business account details handy will also make this quick. From your Xero dashboard, look to the main navigation bar. This is your starting point for anything invoicing or payment related. We'll head into the area where Xero manages payment gateways. Open the business menu. This menu contains all the operational tools for sales and purchases. We're interested in the option that controls how customers can pay your invoices online. Choose online payments. This section centralizes the payment services you can connect, such as PayPal. Turning this on adds a Pay Now button to your invoices, which can improve collection times and reduce manual follow-up. Click Start Setup. Xero will guide you through linking a payment service to your account. If you don't see this button, double check that you have the necessary permissions or that you're viewing the correct organization. Select Add Other. This reveals additional payment service choices beyond the default recommendations. It's useful if you want to connect a specific provider that isn't auto-suggested on your screen. Choose PayPal. Xero supports PayPal as a secure checkout method your customers already know. Keep in mind that PayPal may charge fees, and settlement times can vary by country and currency. If you invoice internationally, verify your PayPal account supports the currencies you use. Enter the required details in the highlighted fields. Provide your PayPal business account email and any information Xero requests to link the service, such as a display name or payment instructions shown to your customers. Keep the description clear so clients recognize the payment option on the invoice. If there are optional settings, use them to align the experience with your brand and to clarify refund or surcharge policies. Avoid adding any private information in the public-facing fields. Click Save. Xero will store your configuration and add PayPal as an online payment method. After saving, the connection should appear active in your online payments list. From now on, when you send an invoice that uses this payment service, customers will see a Pay Now button that routes through PayPal, and their payments will flow back into Xero for easier reconciliation. That's it! You've connected PayPal and Xero, enabling quick, convenient payments right from your invoices. If you need to confirm everything works, send yourself a small test invoice and complete a test payment to check the end-to-end